Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your playlist from Pandora to Spotify. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer your playlist from Pandora to Spotify, start by opening your web browser. Go to the official website of a playlist transfer service. Some popular options are Soundias, Tune My Music, and MuseConv. Once on the site, sign up or log in if you already have an account. From the dashboard, look for the option to connect to Pandora. Click on the Pandora logo to begin the connection process. You will be prompted to enter your Pandora account credentials. After logging in, grant the necessary permissions for the service to access your playlists. Next, return to the dashboard and look for the option to connect to Spotify. Click on the Spotify logo and log in to your Spotify account. Again, allow the service to access your Spotify account. Now, locate the option to transfer playlists or music. Browse through your Pandora playlists and select the ones you wish to transfer. Follow the prompts to initiate the transfer. The service will process the transfer of your selected playlists. This may take a few moments, depending on the size of your playlists. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a notification. To confirm the transfer was successful, open your Spotify app or website. Check your library for the newly imported playlists. Enjoy your music on Spotify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.